Good morning, students. We will continue with CYP 23.2, that is related to height and distances. We did up to question number 9. Today we will continue with question number 10. In question number 10, it has been given that two men are on either side of cliff which is 80 meter high. You had a given cliff of 80 meter height. It is given for the 80 meter height, and either side they are on either side. The two men are that position is the of the man is there. So they are saying from the either side of cliff which is 80 meter high, they observe the angle of elevation of the top of cliff. Angle of elevation from the men to the top of cliff is 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, find the distance between two men. Find, it is given that is 80 meter. Find the distance between two men means you will have to find the distance between A and B and C. Let it is the triangle ABC, and you will have to find the distance of A and B now. So how can we do it? That's very easy. If you think, it is very easy. It is a right angle triangle. Vertically up stand cliff is it makes 90 degree angle. We can find that length also because the angle for that one is given. We can find that one length also. It can be also find out. Let this length is x meter. Let this length is a meter. So what we will do, first we will take in any of the triangle, like we are taking in triangle ADC. D is your 90 degree. So we can apply the trigonometry here. We had that one portion height, it means perpendicular is given, and we need to find the base. So perpendicular upon base gives you tan theta, and here the theta is your 30 degree. Normally put the value. Perpendicular is 80 meter, base is your x, and tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Okay, before writing this, you will also write that portion also which I am saying, that is, let the distance from first observer is x meter and the distance of second observer is a meters. You will have to write this. And height is also given, height of cliff is also given, that is 80 meter. Okay, writing pattern I have sent you yesterday. Okay, now the distance x would be 80 root 3 meters. You found that one distance. Now come on triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, the same things apply. Tan 60 will be, perpendicular is 80 meter and the base is A. It will be root 3 is equal to 80 upon A. A will be 80 upon root 3. When you will rationalize it, it will be 80 root 3 upon 3 meters. Now you have both the distances x and A. Both you have. You can normally find out the distance between two. We know AB can be written as AD plus DB, that is 80 root 3 plus 80 root 3 upon 3. You will take the LCM. It is 3. It will be 240 root 3 plus 80 sorry. Now add them normally. You can add them now. It will be 320 root 3 upon 3. Put the value of root 3. You will put the value of